I first want my mother to try it. It's hot. This is the recipe I have made today. Punjabi chicken curry. It's called a tari wala Punjabi chicken curry. It's absolutely yum. And I made it today after a long time. I've taken 1 kilo curry cut chicken for the Punjabi chicken curry. For the marination, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a tablespoon of ginger paste, a tablespoon of garlic paste, a little bit of refined oil, and juice from half a lemon. This is the marination. The chicken is marinated. Keep it for about half an hour. Heat a pan and add some oil. On high heat, fry the chicken. Fry them in batches. Fry the second batch. Now keep the chicken aside. The chicken is fried. Now let's make the curry. Sieve out the oil. We will not use so much oil, just keep it aside. Now heat some of the same oil. Add some garam masalas, some bay leaves, some large cardamoms, and a mix of garam masalas like black pepper, cardamoms, and cloves. Also add some whole cumin. Now I'm adding 4 chopped onions. I'm adding 2 inches of ginger, some cloves of garlic, about 6-7, and some green chilies. Now cook these till it is soft. Cook the onions on low for a while with a cover so they get soft. We don't want them to get very brown. The onions are soft now. I'm adding 4 chopped tomatoes. And some salt to taste. Now cook this till the tomatoes are soft. Make sure they get really soft. The tomatoes have become soft, so have the onions. Take some stems from your coriander leaves and add it. Now keep cooking this till it all becomes absolutely cooked and soft. Now our masala is ready. Now we have to cool this down and put it in the food processor. So I'm going to add a little water to it. And then we'll cool it down and make a paste of this. This is cooled down, so we add it to the food processor. We need to make a paste of this. Add some water. The gravy masala is ready. Heat the pan and add ghee. Now when the ghee is hot, add Kashmiri red chili powder, about a teaspoon. Add the gravy mix, a little bit of turmeric powder, and about 4 heaped spoons of coriander powder. And 2 spoons of roasted cumin powder. Add your chicken. Give it a good mix. Add water because this is tari wala chicken, which means lots of gravy. Now bring this to a boil. Add your balance salt to taste. Add garam masala, about 1.5 teaspoons. And add 1 tablespoon of roasted kasuri methi. Now mix this well. When this comes to a boil, we're going to cover it and cook it till the chicken is completely cooked. When the gravy comes to a boil like this, put it on low flame and cook it for about 15 minutes till the chicken is cooked. 15 minutes are over. The oil has come on top and our Punjabi chicken curry is ready. We always keep having these typical Bengali chicken curries, and during the pandemic, I wanted to try something new. And this recipe was amazing. You can have it with rice, you can have it with parathas, roti, whatever you like. But surely give it a try. Punjabi style chicken curry. It is so yum, you will thank me later. I first want my mother to try it. My Punjabi tari wala chicken, and I'm sure she's getting all sentimental about it. Mama, try. Mix it. It's got thoda nimbu. It's hot. Good. Nostalgic.
Going back to my Punjab days.
है ना? She's an army baby, and my Nana ji, as in my Dadu, was an amazing army doctor. So Ma has lived a lot of her life in Punjab, right?
Yes, I have.
So we always have the same kind of murgi jhol. একটু অন্যরকম মুরগির ঝোল ট্রাই করুন।
It's lovely.
একটু ট্রাই করে দেখুন। সবসময় তো আমরা একরকম খাই বাঙালি স্টাইলে। This is a Punjabi. Okay, she's making noises. So what is your dinner?